Welcome back to Drinks Made Easy, because cocktails don't have to be complicated. If you're anything like me, you've been looking for non-alcoholic options for when you're going out and about. And today we're taking a look at the Nightcap Old Fashioned using Nightcap from Three Spirit. Now, it's not designed to taste just like the standard alcohols that you're familiar with. It's designed to be its own particular thing, and I find it to be absolutely fantastic. So if you haven't tried out any of the products from Three Spirit, I highly recommend them. They are not paying us to do this. We're just fans of the brand. So without any further ado, let's make a Nightcap Old Fashioned with Nightcap Elixir. To build the Nightcap Old Fashioned, we'll start with 5 dashes of Angostura Bitters. Now, this is more bitters than you would use in a classic old fashioned, but this is not a classic old fashioned. And if you're looking for a drink that is strictly non-alcoholic, there are a number of bitters companies out there today that offer non-alcoholic bitters. Next, we're going to add 2 ounces of the Nightcap. And in this case, we're going to use a sphere of ice, but if you have a block or whatever sort of ice you have, gently place that into the glass so it doesn't splash all over the place. Success! Give it a quick stir. And old fashions really don't need to be stirred excessively. That's actually a pet peeve of mine that I've seen a lot of bars, that they stir the ever-living hell out of them and you just get a really diluted drink. Then we're going to express a peel of orange. And if you're so inclined, a cherry. And easy as that, you have the Nightcap Old Fashioned. This is really fantastic. If you're someone who's taking a break from alcohol or just looking for something different, I highly recommend checking this out. There are notes of fig and cinnamon from the bitters that come together, and with the natural spices that are already there in the Nightcap and in the Three Spirits as a whole, this does give the impression of just a really deep, rich bourbon old-fashioned with a touch of burn there that you would expect from alcohol. Check it out and let us know what you think. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or there's videos you want to see, whether they are with booze or without, please be sure to leave a comment. If you enjoyed it, be sure to smash the like button and share it with your friends. And if you hated it, well, tell your enemies about us. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy.